Love creamy desserts? Today, let's make a smooth and delicious caramel milk pudding with simple ingredients. Hello, I'm Nahida and welcome to Enoven Cake and Cookies. Let's start. This recipe is rich in calcium, strengthens bones and teeth. First, in a pan, pour 2 cups milk and let it boil. Milk provides essential proteins for body growth. Add half teaspoon cardamom powder for a fragrant flavor. Cardamom helps with digestion and gut health. Mix in 1/4 cup milk powder to enhance the richness. Boil for 2 to 3 minutes and then keep aside. In another pan, add 1/3 cup of sugar, 1 tablespoon of water. Cook on low heat until the sugar caramelizes into a deep golden brown. Pour the warm milk into the caramel and mix well. Add 2 teaspoon agar-agar powder to the caramel milk mixture. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes until the agar completely dissolves. Agar-agar set faster than gelatin, so work quickly. Agar-agar is a natural plant-based gelatin substitute rich in fiber. Grease a plate with oil to prevent sticking. Strain the mixture into the plate for a smooth texture. Always strain the mixture to remove any lumps. Sprinkle some roasted peanuts on top for a crunchy contrast. Try topping with almonds, cashews, or coconut flakes for extra flavor. Cool down and refrigerate for 1 hour until set. And that's it, a soft, creamy and flavorful caramel milk pudding made right at home. Add vanilla, saffron or cocoa powder for different pudding styles. This is a homemade and preservative-free dessert. Try this easy dessert and let us know how it turns out. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more delicious recipes. See you in the next video.